You guys are invited to come along to see what it's like to take delivery of a brand new DA62. Just arrived in London, Ontario, where the Diamond Factory is. The exciting thing about this trip is we're here to pick up Lifestyle Aviation's next Diamond DA62 demonstrator.
Here she is, just absolutely gorgeous. This beautiful red new demonstrator that we'll have available for you. Just beautiful.
For each new aircraft delivery, Lifestyle Aviation travels to the Diamond Factory to do the acceptance and test flight before importation of the aircraft.
Just about ready to leave, and 692 Mike, our new Diamond demonstrator, gorgeous red 62.
All right, I just arrived in St. Clair, came in for customs clearance here on the border. You have to file your EAPIS, have to have all your documents with you. You have to call them in advance to let them know that you're coming, so they're staffed. You have to have all of your passport information up to date with you. The factory provides customs clearance documentation that we come here and go through with the customs agents. They do their stamping and entering in the system, and then we're officially not only a U.S. in-registered airplane, but we're free to roam around the country. So come on for the next flight leg where we're headed south.
All right, one of the coolest things about these twin turbo diesels is you do not have the disadvantages of turbocharging like you do on the big gas engines. So there we are climbing like 1,000 feet a minute, going up to 10,000 feet. Look at the fuel burn, folks. This fuel burn is literally 8.8 a side, 8.7 a side. And so we're just cooking along here. There's all of our settings, 90% power, climbing to 10,000 feet. Hadn't taken any time to get here. So again, we're 800 to 1,000 feet a minute at 118 true, 100 indicated. All right, so one of my favorite features on the new DA62 are the reclining seats. How about this for all the way back? Holy smokes. I'm by myself, so I won't be using these today. But look at how far back that recline is. All right, we're coming back up. Awesome. So let's just take a look around the cabin. This airplane, like I said before, 3-row seat in the next row. All right, there's your spec seat. And then you have your 3rd row behind that. Really cavernous situation here. Got lots of elbow room. Everybody's got lots of space. And they can just really kind of enjoy the ride in a way that they've never had before. So right here above my head is the vent that puts nice cold air right across the pilot, the co-pilot. Air conditioner blows cold. We've got vents in the back, the 3rd row. Everybody's got vents. So I'm here at 11,000 feet in cool comfort, enjoying the ride. Okay, just doing a few other speed checks. Again, getting around at 16 gallons per hour. Looks like it's going to get you 182 to 183 on true airspeed. You can also see that right over here. The top line, you'll see 182. Good tailwind. We got 202 for you over the ground. Not bad for today. That's our kind of economy cruise, in my opinion.
Hey, thanks for coming along on today's episode. I hope you had a great time learning about the Diamond DA62. Make sure you subscribe to our channel or follow us on our Instagram or all of our social media, or check us out at lifestyleaviation.com, and don't miss a single episode.